I recently got an increase of about 20 people plus on my Instagram within a couple days. And what exactly happened? Of course, it's not a huge number, but still I think it's quite a decent number when you have a steady growth. And what I did exactly and why I started to get new followers on Instagram, I did optimization of my whole Instagram page. So let me share it how I did it. What's up, social mafia? Welcome to #1 YouTube channel about social media marketing for businesses. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to optimize your Instagram account for search. In this video, we're going to talk about search engine optimization of your Instagram. Of course, the term search engine optimization works the best for the websites. However, you can also apply this term for Instagram because there are several ways to optimize your Instagram account for search. And let's begin with the tip #1, and it's optimizing your bio description and the name on Instagram. Instagram search engine machine works this way. If someone is looking for a fitness coach, in the search bar you can write here fitness coach and then go to accounts. What you are going to see here, we have one account fitness coach, second account fitness coach, entrepreneur fitness coach, fitness trainer, fitness coach. And because if we go, for example, to this profile, we are going to see the first line of your bio description. It is the bold text. That is where you will need to optimize your Instagram account. So you should not write just your name or the name of your brand, but try to explain what your brand exactly is doing and what kind of keywords your customer might use in order to find your products or services on Instagram. Let's say, for example, a flower shop, and me as a customer who wants to purchase a flower bouquet, order it online, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna go to the search bar again and I'm gonna start typing flowers or flower shop. For example, we're gonna choose this one. Okay, it's a Russian one. Instagram is searching for the related keywords through the Instagram, and they are using these bolded keywords. That is the first line. So I don't want to overcomplicate it, but just the first line of your bio description should be the keywords of what exactly your company is doing or how exactly your customer might find your business. This is the first and the most crucial point. For example, in my case, I am social media coach. So that is why when people are looking for social media, you are going to see my account right here. Social media coach. Tatiana/social media coach, that's going to be your brand name, and then /line, and then what exactly your business is doing. The second trick for optimizing your Instagram account is using the keywords in your caption of what your business exactly is doing or selling, what kind of services your business is providing, together with writing these keywords on the picture. So let me show you how I do that. Let's say, for example, I want to upload this picture, and then I'm gonna go next. I'm gonna start writing the usual keywords that I use in order to attract the audience who is interested in my content. Let's say I'm gonna talk here in this post about a few tricks how to stay at home productive. And then in this few tricks, I'm also going to mention about social media coach, or social media marketing, the resources that my ideal customers can use. This will help Instagram algorithm to understand and to relate my content to those who are interested in this topic. Because as you might know, the Explorer page is different for everyone. It's not unique for everyone. It is different for every person, and it depends on your preferences. So for example, if people were looking for some content that corresponds to social media. If you like this video so far, make sure to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit this notification bell button to not miss any of my videos. By doing this, writing keywords also in the caption, I help Instagram algorithm to understand to which niche allocate my content and to which people show my content who are interested or who were interested before in the similar content. I know it sounds complicated, but let's say if you're again selling flowers, you have a flower shop, so you're going to write in the caption flowers, type of flowers, bouquet, and all that keywords that are related to your niche. And that would help Instagram to grab this content, to grab these keywords, and show it to those people who were interested before or currently are looking to the similar profile as yours. So they were looking as well to the content with flowers, flower shop, and all that stuff. That's the first step. The second step is optimizing your picture. Here we're gonna go down here and go to advanced settings, and here we're gonna choose write alt text. So here I'm gonna write the description. All right, I'm gonna click done. And that's it. So that is how you optimize your image. Try to describe as precise as possible. I could also use keywords such as home office, tips to be productive, and all the things that can be related to this type of content. The third thing here that corresponds to the second trick, Instagram algorithm is using image recognition. What that means is, have you ever noticed that you might be interested in a particular style? Let's say it's a minimal style, and when you look through different profiles on your explore page, you might have all the images that has this kind of minimal style look. And this is not a coincidence. Instagram try to understand what type of images you prefer, on what type of images you spend more time, and thus try to push you more content in which you are interested. And that's also concerning the image recognition. So for example, if you're a flower shop and you post not flowers but some vases, that might be confusing for Instagram algorithm to which niche to allocate your account and to which audience show your account. Probably it will understand that you're selling and promoting vases, and that's why it's gonna push this content not to people who are interested in flowers, but rather to people who are interested in vases. I hope you understand what I mean. For example, in my case, it's a little bit complicated to post images that is connected somehow to social media, but however, I try to post more like working situation where with my laptop, that is referring more to freelancers, business type of images, business situation, and all that stuff. So I'm trying to help Instagram algorithm to understand to which niche allocate my Instagram account. And the third tip here is using hashtags. You can check the video right here, also the video right here, where I talk about hashtags and how to use hashtags correctly. But let me repeat it again. If you're using hashtags and if you're using right hashtags, the increase in your engagement will be around 20%. If you don't use the right hashtags or you don't use hashtags at all, your engagement is going to decrease by 20%. So what that means is you really need to focus on the niche hashtags and on the keywords that your ideal customers is using. What we normally do is we are publishing some hashtags that we think are related to the picture somehow, however, or to the content of the caption. However, we forget about the customers who we try to attract to our Instagram accounts. So put yourself in the customer shoe and try to think what kind of keywords your customer, your follower might use in order to find your content. For example, back to the flower shop. If I'm a customer of the flower shop, I might look for the flower shop in Zurich, let's say, flower shop Switzerland, or flower delivery Switzerland, or something like that. Try to understand what kind of keywords your customers are using. Try to make a poll on your Instagram stories to ask your already existing followers what keywords they use in order to find your content, or what keywords they might use in order to find your content. But I think you got the point. The more precise you are with your hashtags, the more niched your hashtags are, the more narrow they are, and not big hashtags, not using just a flower hashtag, the more credibility you will have from Instagram and the more chances you will have to be found using this hashtag by your ideal customer. Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and if there's any comments or question, make sure to write it in the comments, and as well share your Instagram accounts. I'm gonna go and check them all. I'm gonna share some of your accounts on my Instagram stories, so make sure to write your Instagram accounts down below in the description box. And if there's any topics you want me to cover in my future videos, make sure to comment as well below, because I create content based on your requests.